Hey foodies, ever wondered how a simple sweet potato can weave its way into the fabric of our culinary history? Well, today we are about to unravel the cultural and historical significance of a little known gem, sweet potato bread. Stick around because this is going to be one delicious journey. Our journey begins in the dusty pages of history, where ancient civilizations discovered the magic of turning these humble tubers into a staple, sweet potato bread. From the fields to the hearts, it's a story of how a simple ingredient became a timeless tradition. Fast forward to today, and sweet potato bread has become a global sensation, each culture adding its unique twist to the recipe. From festive tables in Asia to daily meals in Africa, it's more than just bread. It's a cultural journey on a plate. Now, let's talk health. Sweet potato bread isn't just a delight for the taste buds, it's a nutrition powerhouse. Packed with vitamins and goodness, it's the guilt free indulgence we all deserve. But wait, there's more. Today, innovative chefs are taking sweet potato bread to new heights. From sweet potato banana bread to the tang of sweet potato sourdough. These modern twists redefine what we thought we knew about this culinary classic. So there you have it, the incredible journey of sweet potato bread, a taste that spans centuries and continents. If you enjoyed this slice of history, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering adventures. Until next time, keep baking, savoring the flavors of life, and remember the best stories are shared over a slice of sweet potato bread.